Hey, it's Crystal with the Traveling Addict. Today we are at Turnipseed Nature Preserve in Wendell, North Carolina. And today we're hiking with Angela.
Hello.
And George.
Hey.
Dad. And we're off to check out this new preserve. I think this is a newish preserve, so we'll let you know how it is. We parked down here, and we did a loop here, but now we're going to go up here and go all the way to the top.
Wow. With me.
We're just starting. We're on Gin Branch Creek Trail and we are headed to Gin Branch Creek. The weather here is perfect. It's supposed to be thunderstorms, warnings and thunderstorms, but the sun's shining. We missed the rain. It's already rained. Y'all have to check out this preserve because it's a new preserve and it's pretty nice.
Come look at those two. That is so weird. They fit. Oh, it fell from right here.
Yeah, you can see. It used to be right here.
Right here.
And then it chipped off and fell. So this used to be one rock. We are on Boulder Trail. Around the boulder. A man's urinal that somebody pooped in.
Have you ever went in a man's bathroom?
I wouldn't tell you if I did.
Well,
We won't ask why she was in a man's bathroom.
what if I step over?
No, you're gonna jump from this one to that one. No, you're not gonna make that.
I'm not gonna make
Then
that.
you're gonna hurt yourself and we're gonna have to drag you out of here.
I'll just grab it with my hand. Of course, my knees will hit the rock in the
Yeah.
Your knees are gonna hit the rock. It's gonna throw you back.
And then you're gonna hit your head on. You're gonna hit your head.
Sounds too bad.
You're gonna jump over there, fall, hit your head on
I
there.
think I changed my mind.
Lupine.
Lupine Loop Trail, and we're supposed to go that way. Look how green that is. That is gorgeous in that tree. Oh, we've come to a nice picnic area. This is the other entrance. And here comes trouble.
Wait till your parents finds out we're turning around going back.
I don't think we've done 5 miles yet, have we?
No, we have not. We've done 2.
2. He wants to do 5 today.
Oh gosh. I'll be
We
ready.
haven't even done 2. We've done 1.8.
I've done 1.7. I guess you did a little extra. Dad's wanting to do 5 today. Look at him.
Okay.
He's ready.
I'm ready.
We are back from Turnipseed Nature Preserve. How'd you like it?
Oh, it's wonderful.
It was good. You did 3.5 miles today. So the trail is a little loop, straight line, and another loop, and then there's a lot of spur trails to take. So it's a lot of interesting things to see. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and we'll see you on our next adventure.
Adios, amigos.